flip the word with no regret, and that's all profit.
I did it again on the hater, man. I don't think they were ready for this one.
Just gave y'all the blueprint, man. Just get up and go get your bag. That's how you gotta do it. All hustle, no love. You gotta work for this one.
Just another motherfucking day with Dre, so I begin like this. What's up, traders? It's your boy Ace Boogie coming to you live and direct. So, I want to recap trade today on TSNP. Here's the daily chart pulled up. I traded it a few times between a few different accounts, but here's the gist of it. Major daily breakout. Major daily breakout over the 24-cent area right here to all-time highs. This one's been running since like 4 cents. I've been trading it since 4 cents since this breakout right here, but it's up like 8 times now. But anywho, major breakout. So basically bought on the dip close to that breakout level and sold into strength, taking a decent meter to move without getting too greedy. I had other things I was doing in the morning, so I couldn't really babysit the trade. So I took what I got and kept it moving. All right, so I'm gonna pull up the 2 minute chart because it shows it pretty good here. Um, in the morning, it gapped up. It closed like at 20 cents, 21 cents yesterday morning. It gapped up to like right around 25 cents and pushed. And after this initial push, I used the VWAP dip buy entry to to gauge when to get into the stock and how I wanted to play it. So stop pull back to VWAP. Actually pulled through VWAP. This is like a lot of OTC slippage, I'm guessing, but nonetheless, um, I was able in this account I was able to get a good entry on that bottom wick candle. And of course, with the VWAP dip buy entry, we're aiming for that higher day test rebreak. So it tested right here, broke out, kept going. I had a good feel for the momentum, and I ended up selling it right at the top of this candle right here. It's almost a picture perfect sell. 17% on the single, and of course, came down and broke out again, consolidated, and it actually closed right at its highs at like 33 cents, 33.50. But it's all good because I just wanted to play the quick move, and this is exactly what I was looking for. This was the play I aimed for, and this was the play. This is what I got. And I played it perfectly. I did trade this in my other account. My other account, I had I was long previously from the day before, so um, let me see. Let me show 2 days. No, why? Not sure why it's not showing it. Let me just change the time frame real quick. Maybe because I'm on. We'll try over here. Hmm. Whatever. I can figure it out. So going back to 5 minute chart, I was long. I think from like right here, long right here, and I ended up holding it into the close. It gapped up. I sold some right here, and then I sold some more into the spike up to that initial spike. And as a pullback, I tried a VWAP dip buy entry as well, but I actually bought this one like right at the VWAP level, and of course it actually bottomed way below it due to slippage and whatnot. So, um, but still, I sold this one right at the higher day test because this was a larger position. So I didn't want to chance it not breaking and me having to manage both positions on the OTC stock that has obvious slippage. So that was a variation of the VWAP dip buy. It wasn't executed as well as it was on this account. This one was picture perfect because I was a little bit more patient. This account I rushed it a little bit on this dip buy, but it still ended up being profitable. I think that was like 5-6%, which is cool. Added to the percentages I made from the overnight sales. So that was TSNP. I think this run is going to keep going. I think it has the ability to get to 50 cents. That's the next obvious stop in the next days, weeks. So I can see it going to 50 cents. So it would be wise to get invested into it now. I like really being long on the first green day breakout or first green day of the breakout day. Um, so, but we'll see how this does tomorrow, whether it can panic or if it gaps up or what it does and where we at there. And then I wasn't really looking at anything else today. I was really quote unquote out of office doing my own thing. So TSNP is the only thing I got for you. So scrolling back out, it's still a nice runner. It's still a candidate for a gap up tomorrow, but we'll see how it does. I just know that the trades that I took were very predictable, very precise, and very strategic. I was picking the areas that I was buying specifically. Same thing with the sales. So I hope you can realize that.
Move smooth and focus on goals. I'm going hard for my family. Yeah, I gotta get the band for my foes. I'm glad and I'm bold. Black is a new light. So much cash it don't fold. That's exactly what I like. I wake up feeling so blessed. My cake up is no stress. Make sure you get them checks. That's the blueprint.